Here I have Alcatel 3X and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to find the screen which you want to capture, and then you have to press once this combination, power key and volume down. And also, if you select this option scroll here, you can make this long screenshot. Finish. Let me show you one more time how to take screenshot. Power key and volume down. You can find your screenshot in the gallery. Here you can delete, edit or share it. Let's delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.